Today is a very exciting day. Grimmspeed sent these guys out. You guys may know from what it looks like in the box. If not, the title gave it away. This is their new Catback system for the hatchback, which is resonated. They have an unresonated version. I'm going to put this on. I'm not going to walk you through an install because installing a Catback is very easy. It's only a couple bolts, a couple gaskets, and hangers, so you guys should be able to do that. If not, Grimmspeed, which I will put in the description below, has an installation guide of how to install a Catback. But I'll throw some Tomei clips up, and I'll throw some Grimmspeed clips up, but let's go ahead, get this on. I'm actually very excited to hear this, because I want to run Laguna Seca, and they have like a 90 decibel track reading. I love the Tomei. I'm going to keep the Tomei, so I'm not selling it because of the California exhaust laws. I'm getting this mainly for track purposes and just to see what it sounds like, but let's give the Grimmspeed a shot. Everything is off. Probably took like 10 minutes. Hardest thing is getting the rubber hangers off. But here it is, the Grimmspeed Catback with the muffler, with the resonator, mid-pipe. I forget what they call that, but it's like the pipe that connects the mid-pipe to the axle back. Comes with hangers and everything you need. 3.5 inch double walled tips, kind of like the Nameless I had, but the Nameless I had were 4 inch. Super good quality. The welds look super nice. Let's go ahead and throw it on the car. Exhaust is on. Here it kind of looks with the bumper cut. Not bad. It's always hard getting quad tips to line up because if you look perfectly straight on, that side sticks out just a touch more. Now there it is. Really shiny. I'm going to do a cold start, let it warm up for a little, and we'll go do some revs somewhere. But I got to clean up first, so cold start right now, let it warm up. What do you guys think? Doesn't sound half bad to me. Alright, let's finish cleaning up so we can get some revs. I'm gonna do some revs here, but the neighbors don't like me, so let's do it. The pops sound really weird now. Alright, you guys know you're gonna have to talk a little loud. She's gotta approve it. So here we go.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on. Does it sound like Rodell's?
Whatever. Not bad. Okay, I'm supposed to go back here. Okay, that's enough. That's good. Let's not let the whole neighborhood know we're here. Not bad. It's really how it sounds inside the car, but you know, that's okay. Outside sounds great. Inside is what matters.
It was good on the inside too.
I can't really remember your old one.
I'm going to give you guys my initial impressions of driving the car so far. I know I didn't include a ton of sound clips, but I will do like a full, how I've done in-depth videos of the exhaust. I'll definitely do that for this. It's very quiet, super quiet actually driving. Like I can really, music doesn't have to be at 25 plus, music could be at like 15. I can hear the thoughts inside my brain. The blow-off valve and like all this noise inside the motor, like the engine bay, I can hear that a lot more compared to when I had the Tomei. Basically, pretend, let's get an analogy. Tomei is like you're at a rave concert. Grimmspeed is like you're at your kid's clarinet recital party or something. There's a huge difference. The Tomei is loud, obnoxious, in your face, look at me. The Grimmspeed is what they call the gentleman's exhaust, and that's exactly what it is, a gentleman's exhaust. I actually really enjoy it. This is a great daily driver exhaust, no doubt. I'm pretty excited to try it on Laguna Seca and see if it passes. The backfires and the afterfires and like the downshifts when you get out the big old boom, instead of a concussive like chest burst from the Tomei, this is like a kind of like a little fart when you lift the left butt cheek on a seat and let one rip. That's how it sounds like kind of now. It's a little more soda can pop-ish instead of a cannonball pop. But look forward to like the full in-depth video of the sound clips, pulls, although you definitely hear the external wastegate now with the Grimmspeed, because the Tomei was so freaking loud that when you hit the external wastegate it kind of just sounded the same. This you can easily tell when the external wastegate hits, so look forward to that. Pulls, downshifts, cold starts, hot starts, revs, bouncing off the rev limiter, two-step, you name it, I'll have it in that video. Huge thanks once again to Grimmspeed. This video is sponsored by Grimmspeed. It sounds like a throatier and deeper SPT exhaust, and a little bit meaner than a Q300. So I would say it's in that range of a Q300 SPT, but a little more because it's a full 3-inch exhaust. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the videos, please leave a thumbs up. It really helps. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.